वाळपय शारान वाहतूक आनी पार्किंगाची व्हडली समस्या निर्माण जाला आनी ही समस्या सुटावो करूंक पालिकेन पुलिसां वांगडा उलोवणी करून ड्राफ्ट प्लान तयार केला अशी माहिती नगराध्यक्षान दिल्या. वाळपयच्या नागरिक गोवा खातीर निलेश परवार.
Traffic is a major problem. So looking for this problem, we just took a draft plan now so that this problem can be solved. So tomorrow we're going to display this draft plan on the notice board so that whatever the problems the public has or shopkeepers or anyone views or suggestions, whatever are there, they can come and inform the municipality so that we can make some necessary changes and send this draft plan to the collectorate. So we'll just give 1 month timing for this public grievances. Maybe by 25th October will be the last date, and after that our process will be started. This otherwise if suppose no issues or no problems from the public or shopkeepers, directly we are going to initiate this plan. Otherwise some problems arises, we are going to make some changes. We just want some changes because if suppose some problem was there for the shopkeepers and all, they can come and tell us so that we can make necessary changes right now before we activate this plan. This meeting is held up taking into consideration everyone, maybe the roads, police, traffic, Mamledar, council body, everything. So keeping everything in mind, we have planned out all this. Draft plan is planned out. So we are waiting from public if there are any changes to be done. If some changes has to be done, the things will be done needfully. For the 4-wheeler parking also, 2-wheeler parking, and for no parkings. See, I'll just read out the plan out, what we want. Okay. For the 4-wheeler parking, it's from the Communities Health Center up to the WRD office on left hand side. From Civil Court up to compound of Government Marathi High School, in front of Upper Complex, Masodam Road along the compound of Church of Our Lady on right hand side, opposite to Goa Bhayvaida to Shirodkar House on right hand side, along the road opposite to Mehnath Store to Ajiz House, Shah House on right hand side. This was all for the 4-wheeler parking, and now for the 2-wheeler parking. In front of Marathi High School on left hand side, in front of Lakshmi Bai Hall, in front of administrative commercial building of EMC, in front of Municipal Garden, in front of Municipal Market Building on right hand side, in front of Municipal Market Building along the Masodam Road on right hand side, from the gate of the church up to Kalangutkar Park.